this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Snailed It card with the Snailed It bundle. So here's the Snailed It bundle. Super cute. It has dies to cut out the images as well as this cute envelope with letter and this large post-it stamp and postage stamp and mushrooms. Super cute. It also has this designer series paper and some of the dies cut out the snails, the small snail, and then there's one for the large snail that cuts out the large snail. So here's some of the paper. So here's the large snail right here, and this cuts that out. Super cute paper. Love all the designs. Oh, I think the word bubbles also can get cut out too. Look at that. Yay! So cool. So you can cut out the word bubbles. Ooh, you can cut that one out. How fun! They also have resin hearts in the Snailed It suite. Super cute too. All right, so for this card, I started off with a thick, basic white card base, just a regular sheet of cardstock cut in half. So this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then I used some of the Snail Mail Designer Series paper and I cut it out with the stitched rectangle dies. I used the largest rectangle and then the fourth largest rectangle to cut out the frame. So the first and fourth. Then I cut out a piece of the designer series paper and I cut it out so that it's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit shorter. It looks like I didn't quite get it shorter. So this is 5 by, so I did 3 1/4, so we should probably do 3 and what is that? 5/8. 3 5/8. That would be a little bit better so that this doesn't show underneath. So 3 5/8. We'll just adhere that right down to the card in the middle. And then I have cut out my little snail from the designer series paper. And I've already cut and colored my mushrooms. I used the Petal Pink blends, the Bermuda Bay blends, and then I actually used the Cherry Cobbler blends because I think they're actually closer to a red color than the real red. The real red comes out a little bit lighter than I would like it to be, so I used the Cherry Cobbler. And then I've already got my word bubble stamped and cut out, so all I have to do is stamp the hello. So we'll stamp hello. And then we will assemble the card. So I will just attach this fun dotted designer series paper just in the middle of the card here. And then this is going to get popped up on dimensionals. I could use the foam strips, that would be easy. Or you could use like the edges of your, what am I trying to say? Dimensionals. So I'm just gonna use some of the edges of my dimensionals here because those have to get used anyway. So peel off some of these and just put them all around. When you have something like a frame, you need a little bit more dimensionals because it's a little bit more flimsy. I feel like it's a little bit more flimsy. So I just put more dimensionals on and I accidentally got a regular dimensional on there. Let's see, the hello is on dimensionals and the mushroom is on dimensionals and the snail is on dimensionals, so might as well put dimensionals on all of those. And we'll cut some more of these. I've been having so much fun with this bundle. Definitely check out my other videos that I've created with this bundle. I've done like a peekaboo card with a snail popping out of the envelope. Super cute. And a sliding snail card. Lots of fun things you can do with this bundle. And this bundle, so you know, is not going to be in the annual catalog. So at the end of May, or no, yeah, at the end of May, it will no longer be available. So make sure you get it before the end of May. All right, so let's place this in the center as much as we can. The rectangle isn't exactly perfect, so you're gonna have a little tiny bit of extra space on the top or the bottom, but it still works. And then we'll add our mushroom to our little window here over on the side. And then we'll add the snail. I'm gonna kind of put the snail up here. He's so cute. He's on his way to visit the mushroom village. He says hello. Put it up here. And there is my Snailed It card. I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the Snailed It bundle. It has supplies for 6 cards, these 3 designs, 2 of each. Just go on my website, elainescreations.net, and use the April Hostess code and purchase the Snailed It bundle, and email me and let me know that you would like the Snailed It card kit for free, and I will send it out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like I said, check out all my other Snailed It video tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.